welcome back to Kids Fun Run Club. We are doing a 6 minutes drawing challenge and we are on episode number 84.
Episode number 84, and if you stay with us till the very end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. You might win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Run Club. And also, if you draw along with us and share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Run Club, your profile will get featured on our next video. Yeah, okay, I hope you're seeing this, being a part of this, and excited about getting your profile featured in our channel. Let's get started with the drawing of Goku. A very easy step-by-step drawing of Goku. Here we're gonna use the sketch pencil and a white paper. That's all. Yeah, but what we need to be very careful with is the shape of the face, right? And the eyes. And how do we do that? So I'll show you how do we do that. We make a straight line. And we make a straight line. Okay. Now, the bottom part of the face. That's this. Okay. So we are at equal distance. This continues here and this continues here. Okay, let's erase these lines now, make it a little lighter. Now let's make the face right where the and the nose. Yeah. Now what we make is the hairs. Very easy. Big, long hairs. The hairs is what would make the drawing look good. Okay. These are the ears. Next is the eyes. Right from the center where we started, we are gonna make the eyes. So simple. Just a tick mark. Similarly this side. Okay. The eyes now. The eyebrow is done. Yeah. The eyeballs. Yeah. So the face is done. The most difficult part is done. The next would be to draw the body. Let's continue. We are just doing the outline. Remember, we would be using a darker pencil, darker shadings once we're done with the outlines.
Can you show me? Hmm.
That's his biceps.
Do you know how much his clothes weigh? Goku's 250 kgs.
Oh my god.
Can you carry that much?
Obviously not.
He can wear it. He wears that.
That's what makes him Goku. Yeah. Now his chest. Wow. What a muscles. Now we are reaching towards the end of the drawing. Yes, Parikshit?
Yep.
The final part, that is the hairs.
What? Mine is done.
We are done with that also?
Yeah.
That's good.
Time to do a little bit of sketching.
Yeah. Now time to do the sketching. Let's make the outlines a little darker so that they are more visible. Parikshit, move it from my video. How will others follow?
And use this color to sketch.
Okay. You're done?
Yep.
Wow, that was fast.
Now I also need to what about outlines?
Use something.
I don't have it. Not dark enough.
Yeah, it is dark.
Hmm?
Sharpen it.
I need to blend
I
these.
just finish it off. Or else mine will look of two different types. That's why I'm not. Okay. Wait. Yeah, now you can take this. I'll use this for the shading purposes. This was a very easy drawing of Goku.
He's an anime character.
He's a
Anime character.
okay. My Goku looks good, isn't it, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Guys, if you have been following us, if you have been drawing along with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Red Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to get your profile featured in our next video. And also, do not forget to add in the comments below what you want us to draw next to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. Yeah, so this was episode number 84, and we'll very soon see you in the episode number 85 of 6 Minutes 100 Days Challenge. Oh, Parikshit is also done. So that was the easy drawing of Goku step by step. See you in the next video. Have a
Good and a wonderful day.
bye bye.